been amazing to share space and ideas and conversations with people who get it.
And there's so many intelligent people here who are thinking about sex in a way that hasn't traditionally been thought about.
It feels like a big family reunion, even though I've only met a couple of the people one time before.
Being at a place where we get to network, meet other people who are doing similar work is really refreshing.
You also get to learn from their different disciplines and better your own knowledge of a bunch of different parts of the field that you probably wouldn't have thought of prior to coming.
It's really connected me to a community of leaders, sex therapists, educators, people with the like-mindedness of wanting to support this very big community of sexual wellness. And I couldn't be happier in bringing that connectivity in real life through this experience.
It just seems so put together, and the presenters are amazing. And I definitely plan to come back for another event.
XAW is really great people in general. I mean, they obviously put out really great information. For people that don't know, they are like the cutting edge people. They're really progressive.
I love the curated content that they've had here. It's just been really interesting and new. Shaw, start doing some more in-person conference weekends because these are so great. The key takeaway is that I belong here, and the work that we're doing is really important. So we all belong here. More of us are needed. I just want to thank Heather and Shaw so much for including me as part of this family and making me feel like I belong.
We're excited for our 10-year anniversary next year in Denver. We can't wait to celebrate 10 years with everyone that made this such a huge success, and we can't wait for what's to come.